How to require password when downloading apps from your app store. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can require password or your Face ID while downloading apps from the app store. So let me show you what I mean by that. So first of all, let me simply go to my app store and then let me simply try downloading this app right over here. Now I'll tap on the option get. After that, once I tap on the option install, it will automatically start downloading the app. Now if you want to require password before you download any app, whether it be a free app or a paid app, what you'll have to do to enable a password is simply go to your settings. After that, tap on your name right over here. Now once you've done that, go to media and purchases. After that, tap on the option password settings. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply tap on the option require password right over here and then toggle this bar right over here. Now once you've done that, it will ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, so simply enter that over here. Now tap on the option OK. Now once you've done that, simply back out. After that, scroll down and then go to Face ID and passcode. Now enter your device's passcode or your lock screen pattern. Now once you've done that, simply toggle this bar right over here which says iTunes and App Store. Simply toggle this bar. After that, you'll have to again enter the password of your Apple ID, so enter that once again. Now tap on the option OK. Now once you've done that, let me show you. I'll simply go back to my App Store. After that, I'll simply try downloading this app right over here. Now once you tap on the option get, if you tap on the option install, it will ask you to enter your Apple ID. So that is basically how you require password when downloading apps from your app store. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.